Hello, I'm Natasha Hanisko, and this is my book and build presentation for The Interrupting Chicken. The Interrupting Chicken by Ezra David Stein is a fun little book about a dad chicken reading a little chicken some bedtime stories. And you can see on the cover, he says, "Please don't interrupt the story." So he starts reading the little chicken some stories, and of course she interrupts constantly. She jumps out and ruins the story each time. And each time the papa says, "Oh, you interrupted the story again," and he tries to read her a different one because she insists that she can't go to sleep without a story. Finally, Papa gets tired of being interrupted by Chicken, and so he says, "You know what, why don't you read me a story?" And so she says, "Okay." So she writes him a story, and as she's reading him the story, he interrupts her by falling asleep and snoring loudly. So for the activity, I made chicken puppets, and this activity was found in a link on page 38 of Book and Build, 100 Great Children's Books to Use with Makerspace Activities. And these are chicken puppets. So to create this activity, I started with toilet paper rolls, felt, googly eyes, feathers, and paint. I painted the roll yellow and then added the eyes, and I cut the beak from felt and glued it on, and then lastly I added the feather and the popsicle stick to actually make the chicken into a puppet. This was a fun activity, and it was pretty easy to do. And so this activity could also be good for any other animal or character in any story. And these would be great for use in an elementary school classroom or an elementary school library with really any book. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed it.